Today it's still Saturday, 17th of December 2022, and finally we received the piece, right? How long? 3 weeks? 3 weeks, almost a month, right? Okay, what's this piece, you're gonna ask? This piece, it's my headache, that's what it is. And if I had a milling machine, I didn't have to send it outside to make for me the keyway here or to make the threads. I had the problem to make a threads, to open the holes and make a threads where went outside, because I have only the lathe. So on the independent choke it's very difficult to center it here and spin it around on the medium lathe, on a medium size lathe. Okay, so what's the problem with that? That's what's the problem. It crack. All right. What is this one? Let me show you what's that. All right, gentlemen, stop for a minute, please. Can you please turn off the fan? 1 minute. Take a look. Edmond, I like that before I clean it, and you didn't put even one rag on it, don't be dirty. Can you lift up the vise? This one, can you take it away? It came the piece. You want me to fix it? You want me to fix it? Yeah. All right. Carefully, please take it away. All right. So the piece, it's here, and it's mounting this device for the saw. Now 3 weeks not running because it's broken. That's why. You're gonna ask me, okay, why it broke? Because we are using it. Because we are abusing it. Yeah, that's one way, one reason. Because if you don't use the tool, it won't gonna break, right? One reason is because we are using it and we are abusing it at the same time. Second thing is because it's a cast and vibrations pushing it a little bit more hard, it crack. Okay. Then what I said, instead of ordering again the same cast iron piece, fix one out of steel that's more flexible. What steel is that? Mild steel. Okay. Okay, so fix one out of steel. Don't order again the same one because it's gonna fail, like this one. And I said, order the piece, make the keyway here, tap it, make the holes, but do not machine it like this. Don't make this lip. Leave it to be without a lip, without anything. And that's exactly what they did. And that's okay, that's a good one, because I'm planning to machine this one on the lathe. It's not a big deal, that one. Why I want to machine it? This piece here, it comes at this point. You see here where is the problem? So what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to make 2 steps. One step is gonna be this one, the correct one. No, it's not right, sorry. This lip, what you see, it's not right. I'm gonna show you on the machine. Then I'm gonna make one lip here and one lip here, to go inside and stuck inside, and to don't floating, to don't rely only on the bolts. That's what I'm talking about. Before, I'll be able to make it here bigger, because here I have to increase the hole to sink inside the bolt. The bolt, it comes like, the bolt comes like that here at this point. All right. And it need to be face, because on top it's coming flush the vise that has. Okay, so I have to use the independent choke. There is no problem at all about that. I need to make one center in the middle. Fine, no worries about that. And then I want to show you, it's gonna make sense at the end how it gonna looks like. It's gonna make sense what I'm trying to say. Instead of relying only on the bolts, you're gonna have also a lip that's gonna lock inside. Now, if we get this and we go to place it on the machine, you're gonna see what I don't like, and you're gonna tell me, okay, what you're expecting. You're expecting precision. Wait. So, if you place it here, this one, it moves. It's not the most precise piece in the world. I'm gonna change that. I'm not gonna keep it like this. So don't have this move. You're gonna tell me there will gonna be the other piece down that will gonna center it. Yes, but why you don't have a support from up? And since we are not tilting it, And since the guys here, they're not tilting it and always they're cutting it 90 degrees, there is no problem, right? So obviously I cannot touch this. 1 second. I cannot touch this surface, it's a cast. I have to smooth it out a little bit in some spots. Yeah, correct, to be nice and round, as much round as possible actually. And the other one, you're gonna be more thick, the lip here. You're gonna have another lip here, where it's gonna be the centerpiece. Gentlemen, good news for you, bad news for me. You're gonna make my boards like a planet. You're not gonna have only the grinder and the belt sander over there and all the rest. You're gonna have also the saw. I'm gonna fix for you the plate. It came the new one. Yeah, happy, eh? Yeah, splendid. Headache, more headache. So that's the plan. Now, what can go wrong? So many things can go wrong. I can crush the piece on the lathe and then we're gonna need another one. And we're gonna wait another 3 weeks. Right? So no, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna be in hurry with the new cutting tools. And even the cutting that they did here, it's not the best, eh? And here there is a dent. They can make it a bit better. Alright? No comment, eh? You don't have anything to say. Let's work on it. Let's work on it to finalize it. Let's get some measurements. Get the file. To file on the machine the lip to be nice and round. As much as round as possible. Get the high and the low spots over there. And start machining this one. Imagine to make a mistake and instead of machining this side, machine this line, this side. Yay! It will gonna work, right? Yeah, but we don't have the keyway. Alright, another one thing that's... yeah, because I didn't open it like this. That's why there is material. This I'm gonna do it on the lathe. I'm gonna find one piece. I think I have 1 second. Yeah, I have. You're gonna tell me, Tassos, what do you have? This is much smaller than the hole that has the cast iron. I don't care. Why? Because I want to come inside the Allen bolt. I just want to have a clearance to put the head of the Allen bolt. I don't want to be so big. You know, it's not this hole. What they did here, it's gonna make sense. It's not for this bolt. It's gonna make sense to be for this hole, for this bolt, for the head of this bolt. That's nice, but it doesn't make any sense to me to be for this, right? Little bit mass precision. We're gonna be within a millimeter, let us say, or no, not millimeter. We're gonna be within a 10th of a millimeter because it's steady, it's not rotating. But again, this we are talking about how much? 3 millimeters. Yay! And this is gonna happen on the lathe. If I had a milling, I have to say that again. It's gonna be much easier, not for the to make the depth, but I'm gonna be able to make this one on the milling machine and finish the story. And I don't have to wait 3 weeks. I'm gonna do it within a day, maximum 2 days, maximum. Yeah, that's it. Let's start. How I'm gonna put? Now, what title I'm gonna put on this video? I don't think so we're gonna face any problem with that. Next one it might. No, also this thick. Only the weak spot from what I saw on the machine that time, it's only this shit. Only this. And since we're not gonna be cast iron, and we're gonna have a lip to enter this piece inside, I don't think so we're gonna ever have any problem again. We're gonna find out. We're gonna see how long it's gonna last. Hey. Let's start working on it. Today it's Saturday. Yeah, it's already late because I need to leave early today. I might not finish it today. I might finish it on Monday. We're gonna see about that. That's it. Started. Should I upload this one? Yeah, I'm gonna upload this video, and if I make some progress, I'm gonna make another video. Yeah, this will gonna be the part 1.